Greetings, fellow traders and enthusiasts. Welcome back to Ajayasthro Money Guru, your go-to channel for all things commodities. Today, we are diving into the spicy world of pepper, where domestic markets are heating up, while Vietnam sees a slight retreat from record highs. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the domestic scene. Pepper prices in major markets are on a steady incline, fueled by robust demand, escalating global prices, and tighter supply conditions. In the past week alone, increased inquiries from stockists and exporters have driven prices up. In fact, we've witnessed a substantial recovery of nearly 16,000 rupees, 18,000 per quintal over the last fortnight. However, experts predict that further upward movement may be limited. In Kochi, garbled pepper is currently fetching around 58,600 rupees per quintal, with ungarbled pepper not far behind at 56,600 rupees. Meanwhile, in Karnataka, prices are ranging between 56,500 rupees and 58,500 rupees per quintal. It's certainly an exciting time for domestic pepper traders. Now, let's shift our focus to Vietnam, where pepper prices are experiencing a slight decline after reaching record highs. This retracement, ranging between 500 Vietnamese dongs 1,000 per kilogram, is attributed to decreased purchasing activity. Despite this dip, Vietnam has seen an impressive 60% year-on-year price increase, driven by lower output and a tighter market balance due to aggressive exports. Notably, global FOB prices have remained stable amidst these fluctuations. In March, Vietnam's pepper exports surged to 25,917 tons, marking a staggering 92.7% increase from the previous month. However, compared to the previous year, there's been a 27.3% decline. Accumulated exports for the first quarter tell a similar story, with a 25.4% decrease in volume but a 1% increase in value. And there you have it, folks. Domestic pepper markets are on the rise, driven by strong demand and global trends, while Vietnam navigates its own dynamics amidst record high prices. As always, stay tuned to Ajayasthro Money Guru for the latest updates and advanced analysis on all your favorite commodities. Until next time, happy trading.